All practice pages and other materials for learning cursive are available at my Teachers Pay Teachers store at www.teacherspayteachers.com/store/Ann-Fosnight. Learning Cursive Lesson 50, Capital S. Capital S in cursive is very different than capital S in printing. Capital S in cursive starts with a long or tall two-space undercurve. When writing a capital S in cursive, we start with a two-space undercurve and then a loop. It's similar to an L, lowercase. And then we come straight down, up, and end it with one of the smiles. So we have two-space undercurve, a loop, we come straight down, curve, and smile. There's really a capital J printed in a capital S. So here I'm going to make the J. There's my J and a smile. If you think about making a J, then your letter doesn't stick out in the front and look too fat. Capital S. As you prepare to complete your capital S practice page, please make sure your desktop is clear and you just have your paper and your pencil. Make sure you have a good proper slant for your paper, that you're sitting up straight and you've written your name neatly at the top of the page. When we look at the model for the capital S, we can see that it begins like a lowercase l, and then we find a J shape right inside of it. And it ends with one of the smiles. Like B and T and F and I, we have that smile again. We have our training wheel letters to teach us the strokes and help our hand get the feeling of making the letter properly. We'll trace and practice, get our hand used to that two-space undercurve and to the smile at the end. After we've practiced tracing and we feel comfortable with our strokes, we move back over to the next line and try it on our own. We begin at the baseline, go to the headline with a curve over, come down and make a J, and give it a smile. A capital S is not a connecting letter. So at the next line, we would practice S and S as a chance to see them. Really, a lowercase s could be a capital S if it had a loop at its top. They're very much the same except for the loop. If your name starts with S, this is your chance to put your name on the paper. We have Celia, Salvador, Sarah, Sergio, Shaquille, it's Sharon, and many other S names that you could think of. Practice them and write them yourselves. Our next letter is capital G.